117 if you like. I'm gonna get it. This is right. Thank you so much. New betting time. Greetings, people, to the board of the crazy time. Of course, me, Mr. Marky, leading that. You're easily. You can ask some questions. Maybe some just things if you need some help. Don't forget that. Like at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, right bottom corner, statistic, how to play, and the betting option as well available for all of you guys. Coin flip here is the 10x multiplier. Looks like it's possible, maybe. Coin flip 10x, stay it on. Let's go, people. Here we go. Here we go. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. 10x multiplier for the beautiful coin flip. 3x this time on top and the 15 on the bottom. Looks like 30 against the 150, right? That looks beautiful. We're looking for the blue one this time, right? So, people, I wish you the best of luck this time as well. Good luck. Don't tell me what to do, like, just show me how it's need to be done. 150x multiplier was the blue side of the coin. Completed. Let's go, baby. 5,593 of you like are gonna get it. That's beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That looks easy. We got this. New spin time. You're welcome. So, people, that looks good. That looks good. Like, the beginning at least. The beginning at least.
This time in BP does some express. Of the things like 1 out of 54, 10x multiplier is also not really cool. Or 15x multiplier is not really cool. Even like 20x multiplier is not really cool, right? The coin flip will come up more often, and the 50% of chance is gonna have like the better outcome. Not only like okay, 50% of chance is gonna hit 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 on the crazy time. It will never pay as much. But the thing is that 4 coin flips will pay as much. Right? Can we? Can we? Can we? Boom! That's a 5x on a crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa! That's what we got here. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh oh oh! Let's go! Da-da-da-da-da-da, 5x and a crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah! Come on. Which color to pick? Is it green, is it blue, or maybe it's yellow? Any, many, mo. Come on, come on. Give me some spice, ladies and gentlemen. Are we taking green, or blue, or yellow? Which flapper? Which flapper are you gonna take? Looks like, come on, you're picking your flappers. Looks like the blue flapper got 36-38%. 500x is the highest one. Let's go. Good luck to everyone. We need some doubles. Give me some spice. Give me some doubles. Come on. We need some doubles. Definitely need a double. Give us a double. Give us a double. Give us a double. No. Where are doubles? We got 100x on a yellow, 250 on green and blue.
Last round top turns. Let's go betting time. Newcomers, welcome. Out of pressure rabbit corner. Option plays are always available. It's actually nice, right? If you place a bet on 2, payout is 1 to 2, so you're still doubling your bet, which is amazing. Three times cash on. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hi, Mixing. Hi. Stop. Ah, let's go. 3 times cash on, baby. Woo! Hey. So Max Multi, guys, where are you? Where are you, baby? Where are you, baby? 500! Whoa! Let's put that 3x. Bam! Hey, baby boss. Max 1,500. Let's go! Woo! now. I'm shaking now. Ow, ow. Guys, the carousel starts. All right, come on. 3, 2, 1. Go get it now, guys. Take it. Get it. Find 1,500 babies. It's somewhere over there. One shot, one opportunity. Multi is not with to emojis and auto pick is a thing. Come on! Ah, this is so exciting. 1,500. Come on! Where it is? Woo! Over there. Wow, 128 people actually managed to get it. 1,500. Yay! Yes!